Do you trust AI to build your sound system?
Well, I did. Let's go. For those who didn't know, my sound system was actually torn apart by the sub.
The box was way too weak and just couldn't handle it. So I asked 3 different AIs to help me out. ChatGPT, Grok, and Manus. So now you're probably thinking, how could we use 3 AIs just to build a subwoofer box? Well, let's ask AI. Right here, they're just telling me what apps to use and some of the tools that they have. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for 449 subscribers. We're so close to 500. Hit that subscribe button so we can get 500. So we're going to use ChatGPT to get the dimensions of the box, Grok to see what type of wooden screws, and Manus for the specific little details. Alright, so this is what I put down. Pretend you're a professional subwoofer box builder and you need to make a quick competition box for your 2 10-inch subwoofers. They're going to need to fit into a 2015 Nissan Altima. Here it's showing me what some of the dimensions are, what kind of wood to use, what the port's going to be, and just a couple of little notes just to keep in mind. So in Grok, I asked, what kind of wood and screws am I going to need for this? Gave me just regular 3/4 MDF wood and then some kind of regular deck screws from Lowe's. And then they gave me a little tip and used Flex Seal as a sealant. Last but not least, we got Manus, and all I asked it was for some subwoofer tips. So Manus actually told me to use a router. They actually told me to use Flex Seal as well. They also told me to put some bracing in the box and then add some carpet for a clean finish. Let's go ahead and get everything out of here. Woo! It's been a minute, but oh my gosh. Everything cleaned out, ready to go. The old box sitting over here. Over here we got all of our panels for the box. Let's get these holes cut out for these subs. It's almost done. Gonna rip out the box now. I know this video doesn't do it justice, but this air is moving, y'all. This is crazy. I think everyone has to let AI let them build a box for them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for the next one.